Hi. These days, many people are buying properties in Dubai. But let me be very honest. If you're thinking that you will earn some handsome amount of money through rent or make some fast profit, then Dubai may not be the right place for you. But if your goal is to keep your money safe, then yes, Dubai is a good option. So what happens is people from countries like Pakistan, Syria, Lebanon, where there are some problems like political issues or some war, they send their money to Dubai. They don't buy properties for just income, they just want to protect their wealth. Even many Indians are doing the same nowadays. Most of them are buying the under construction flats. They are paying full amount of money in cash, so no loan or EMI. This clearly shows that it is not for returns, it is only for peace of mind. But sending money from India to Dubai is not that simple. So you'll need to file some forms like 15 CACB, which your CA has to handle. Then there is also TCS when you send money abroad. So do not send your money abroad without talking to your CA. Now, why I'm telling you all this is, recently many of the people have got income tax notices in India. The government is checking who all have properties outside India and whether the money was sent through a legal channel or not, because some people have used cash, some hawala system or through crypto, and now they are in trouble. Again, many people say there is no tax in Dubai. That is not fully true. Yes, Dubai has no income tax, but property tax are very high, unlike India. You will have to pay 4% when you buy the property. Then, if you give it on rent, you will have to pay 5% every year. If it is commercial property like shop or office, then again it is a 10%. So, if you are buying just to earn some income or profit, then you will have to think twice. But yes, if your goal is to safely park your money and you are ready to follow the rules properly, then Dubai is a very strong option for you. Now, if you are looking to understand real estate in a simple and practical way, make sure to follow me and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.